So, hello guys, how are you all? Now, I am here referring to you that everybody in this world, you know, most of the people like us wants to be good looking, wants to be successful, wants to be rich, and wants to do lots of things in life. But do you think all of the dreamers are able to achieve what they want? Now, we have already dreamt. The second step is to have a plan and execute it. Now, I am here sharing to you that little tiny habits that can not entirely transform your life. It is not a transformation video in 7 days, 21 days, 30 days. No, it cannot transform your life entirely, but will help you become a better version of yourself when you practice it regularly. For the whole life, I am going to say this, not for 7 days, for a month, because something habits are which you are repeatedly going to do, and then you do not need to think about it when you are doing. You do not need to convince yourself when you have to do the task. These are called habits, really. So my first habit I want to do is journaling. Like in the morning or at the night before, you need to journal. Now, when I mean journaling, I am not referring to the aesthetic journals which are time consuming. I am not referring to them. If you like it, you can. If you have time, you can. But as a student, I don't have that time that I can make aesthetic journals every day. You need to journal every day. Means you need to plan out every day that what task you need to achieve the next. What, like the night before or the day at the morning when you wake up, you need to be very much realistic, very much precise, and very much concise about what you want to achieve. You need to have exact timings at which time you will do what. And I am saying it to be realistic, not like you are going to wake up and you are going to study for straight 7 hours, and then you will come back, you will work out for exact 2 hours. And no, I am not saying a realistic one. Write less, do more, it is okay, but do not, because if you don't follow, now your mind will say it is useless, it does not work for me. No. So the second step is learn a skill. In today's world, you will see, like, as an Indian student, I can see you. Our education system is like, go to school, come home, scroll a little, go to coaching, come home, eat dinner and sleep. That's a routine of most of the students. But do you think this routine would ever help you become that person you admire, that person you want to really become? So learn a skill that will help you fetch money at the later. You can be an editor, you can learn coding, you can learn a lots of things. Just get into the YouTube, see what are the things you can learn, get the tutorial and learn it. And when I say learn it, you need to start right now. Don't wait for the future, don't wait for the tomorrow, don't wait for Sunday, don't wait for the first day of the week or the first day of the month. Start whenever you want to be. Like today itself you can start it. Now, third thing I would say is take care of your body. Your body is not granted you as a gift. You need to take care of it. When you take care of it, it will be more nurtured, it will be more beautiful, it will be more good looking. Like you need to do very small things. Sorry for the background. You need to do a little very small things, like you can work out for 10 to 15 minutes every day. That is enough. I'm not saying you to work out for 1 to 2 hours straight. You can drink lots of water every day. It is very easy to do, but don't make it like a fool that only drinking water will help you achieve that good glowing skin. No, you need to exercise daily. You need to eat healthy, nutrition rich food. Avoid completely the junk food, the sugary food, the oily food, the junk food. When you take care of your body, your mind will also grow, because after all, your mind resides in your body only. Now, affirmations. When there is a lots of negativity in this world, like everyone around you may be negative, toxic. So affirmations are the best way to tell yourself that you have the potential, you have everything. Just to make sure, because when you think positively, really the positive actions will happen. Now I am not telling you to listen to any affirmation or any video on the YouTube. No, don't listen to that much videos. Just do what? Listen to, pick one or two videos. Now you know your condition better than anyone else in this world. So according to your condition, take a notebook, write down, like if you want to be fit, write down you need to be very much healthy. I am very healthy and fit. If you want to get good grades, right, I am a topper, I can achieve whatever I wish. So these are affirmations which will work for you when you write it by themselves, learn it and speak whenever you are just free or just walking. Now, last and the most important tip, don't try to follow everything at once. After seeing a glow up video, after seeing a self improvement video, podcast video, what we do is either we scroll down to the next, or we get so motivated that we will try to do lots of things at the same time. I mean, this self improvement videos, this glow up routines are of no use, because see, there are millions and trillions of views on one self improvement video. But do you think that millions and trillions of people will be really becoming that after 1 month or after years? No, now. This is because videos cannot make you your better version. You need to take initiative by yourself. You need to plan out actions. If actions are zero, then nothing can take place. So just pick up one habit from what I have shared to you and focus on that, stick to it and achieve it. Thank you. Because when you complete one habit, then pick up the other, then the other. This way it will happen, not entirely the ones. Don't get motivation is good to start, but discipline and consistency is what make it run. Thank you.